Hey guys, so today we're going to be making the Deluminator from Harry Potter. It was the gift that Dumbledore left for Ron Weasley that could take light and store it and then be reused later. So yeah, we're going to try and make a replica of that, but it'll kind of be more of a torch. It's like the best of both worlds. Well, best. It's like some of both worlds. Let's go! Let's go! All done! I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's not the same green color as the first one, but it's still quite satisfying. So the top cap can open and close, and the light lights up in the center, and the switch is quite concealed over here. Oh, subtle magic. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye. Okay.